Pack your essentials, a guide to understanding and using this phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and commonly used phrase, pack your essentials. This phrase is not only useful for travelers but also in our everyday lives. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important to know. Stay with us to unpack the essentials of this phrase. When someone says, pack your essentials, they are advising you to prepare and pack the most important items you need for a trip, activity, or situation. The key word here is essentials, which refers to the bare minimum or the most crucial items that one cannot do without. These could be items like your passport, medication, or anything that is of utmost importance for your specific needs. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Traveling. Before going on a vacation or a business trip, you'll often hear this advice. It's a reminder to focus on packing items that are necessary for your journey. Emergencies. In emergency situations, such as a natural disaster, you may be told to pack your essentials quickly to ensure you have everything you need to stay safe. Minimalist living. For those interested in minimalist living or trying to declutter, this phrase can be a guiding principle to keep only what is truly essential in their lives. Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase can be used. 1. Before a camping trip, make sure to pack your essentials like a flashlight, first aid kit, and enough food and water. 2. Advice to a friend moving abroad. It's going to be a big change, so pack your essentials and be prepared for anything. 3. Preparing for a hurricane. The news says it's going to be a tough one, so pack your essentials and be ready to evacuate if needed. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, pack your essentials. Remember, it's all about prioritizing what's truly important and necessary for your specific situation. Whether you're traveling, facing an emergency, or simply trying to live more minimally, keeping this phrase in mind can be incredibly useful. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to pack your essentials in knowledge and kindness wherever you go.